See, good afternoon. Whatever part we have covered in the last lecture that we have seen now. See, we have covered in a lecture that is N channel MOSFET, right? So it is nothing but a N channel D MOSFET. See, when we have to be see the MOSFET, in that case, there are basically two type of MOSFET. Did you getting my voice? Please reply. Please reply. Did you getting my voice?
ब्रेक होतोय सर.
ओके, रेंजचा काहीतरी इश्यू असेल. आता येतोय का क्लिअर? आता क्लिअर येतोय का?
Yes sir.
Okay. We have seen now N channel D MOSFET. See, what do you mean by N channel D MOSFET and what were the things which are related to the D MOSFET and enhancement type MOSFET that we have seen here. See, D MOSFET indicate the depletion type of MOSFET, right? It is same as like as your JFET, right? So whatever the thing means, in case of your JFET, what we have to do? In case of JFET, we have applied the negative voltage across your gate to source, right? So VGS equal to, we have started the VGS equal to 0, indicate that initially low reverse bias voltage across it. So there should be smallest depletion region across your JFET, right? Sorry, in case of your MOSFET. So what happened? Due to that, there should be largest amount of current flowing through the device. This will be happen in case of your depletion type of MOSFET. So see, you know, you have to be seen the N type and P type MOSFET. In that case, the things are different, right? In case of C, in case of N channel MOSFET, what we have to do? It is the actually plot of drain current versus VDS, right? VDS indicate the drain to source voltage. So when we have to operate the your MOSFET or JFET, in that case we have applied the two voltage. One is your VGS, gate to source voltage, other is drain to source voltage, right? This is the plot of both. That is a VDS versus ID at the different value of VGS, right? So in that case, when the VGS value, see, when the VGS value going towards the positive, more and more current flowing through the device. See, in this, when we have to be seen that VGS equal to negative, right? VGS equal to more negative. In that case, what happened? Reverse bias voltages appear across your gate to source terminal. So there should be more depletion region. So less current flowing through the device, right? This will be happen when VGS equal to -3 volt. As we have reduces the VGS, reduces indicate that -3 going towards the -2. In that case, more current flowing through the device. This is the more current flowing through the device. So as we have to be reduces the VGS value up to the -3, -2, -1. There should be more. Here is the drain current and here is the voltage. So as we have to be increases the voltage through the device, voltage should be increasing, but the current through the device is constant, right? Either your -3, -2 or -1 voltage. But only thing is changed is that as we have to be reduce this minus voltage, we have more and more current flowing through the device. See, -3 have the less amount of current flowing through the device. This is the drain current value. Now VGS equal to -2 volt. See, VGS equal to -3 volt. In that case, there should be more current flowing. Then as we have increases, minus means -3, -2, -1. In that case, when voltage is equal to -1 volt, in that case, more current flowing through the device. As see, VGS equal to 0, in that case, there should be smallest depletion region across your device, right? So what happened? When the less depletion region or smallest depletion region across device, there should be largest channel across your drain to your source to the drain. So largest current flow from your drain to the source. This will be happen when VGS equal to 0. See, one of the important thing with respect to this is that when VGS equal to positive, what happens? When VGS equal to positive, we have applied the gate voltage to the positive. In that case, P substrate, electron from P substrate are traveling towards the gate, right? Traveling towards the gate. So what happened? There should be more and more there should be more and more electron and holes recombine, right? So there should be more current flowing through the device. This will be happen. So that's why Vgs equal to 0, then that of Vgs equal to 1 volt, there should be more current flowing through the device. This will be happen due to the, we are applying the positive voltage across gate, and due to that positive voltage is applied across gate, what happened? Positive voltage causes p substrate have some of the electrons, right? That should be attracted by the whatever the voltage applied across your gate terminal. So that what happened, there should be current conduction start, right? So as we have to be increases this Vgs equal to more positive, in that case more and more current flowing through the device. So Vgs equal to plus volt, there is a more current flowing through the device. Here is the drain current, here is the drain to source voltage, right? Voltage through the device, see, voltage through the device is increasing, but the current, see, current through the device is not increasing, right? So as Vgs value increases towards the positive, more current flowing through the device. As Vgs current going towards the negative, more negative, in that case less current flowing through the device. What it indicate that, see, when Vgs equal to positive, indicate that there should be more forward bias of the PN junction. I'm telling you, PN junction data, not with respect to MOSFET. See, because when we have applying the current, in that case it should be act as like as PN junction diode, right? So that when PN junction diode forward biases, it have less depletion area, right? Less depletion area, so more and more channel forms, so more and more current flow through it. This will be happen when Vgs equal to positive, that is Vgs 1 2 volt, right? And when Vgs is reduces, is going towards the negative, in that case there should be size of the depletion layer or depletion region that should be increases. So what happened, due to the increase of size of the depletion layer, one event is coming. I'm not telling with here, see, one event is coming where we have applying the more Vgs as a more negative voltage. So in that case no current flowing through the device, see, no current flowing through the device when Vgs equal to more negative, greater than -3 volt, right? When Vgs equal to 0, there should be more current flowing. That current is called as IDSS, is that current is called as Vgs equal to 0. So as we have increases the positive voltage greater than that of Vgs equal to 0, current flowing, this will be happen due to the less depletion laser, less or no depletion region with respect to your channel. This is the thing with respect to N channel D MOSFET, right? So this is nothing but a drain characteristic of N channel D MOSFET. See, drain characteristic is the plot of drain to source voltage versus your drain current, right? So during this what we have to do, or what we have to be study in this characteristic. During this characteristic, we have studied that as we have to be increases the VDS value, as we have to be increases the VDS value at the negative value of the Vgs, at the negative value of Vgs, there should be less amount of current flowing through the devices. As we have to be increases the more positive voltage, started with the -3, -2, -1, -0, sorry 0. So as we have increases the more positive value, large amount of current flowing through the devices. So Vgs indicate that it should be deplete, it should be increase or decrease deplete area. Deplete area is nothing but a depletion area, right? As we have to be increases the positive voltage through the Vgs, it indicates that it should be act as a forward bias PN junction diode. So largest current flowing through the channel. This will be the thing with respect to N channel D MOSFET, right? Now we have seen that transfer characteristics. So transfer characteristic is the plot of the drain current versus gate to source voltage, right? In this case, whatever the gate to source voltage started with a negative, see, started with the negative, here is the negative and increasing towards the positive, right? Initially what we have to do, when Vgs equal to 0, see, when Vgs equal to 0, more and more current flowing through the devices. As we have to be increases the positive value, see, positive value of the Vgs, as we have increases the positive value of the Vgs, there should be largest amount of current flowing through the devices. So when Vgs equal to 0, the current flowing through the device is called as IDSS current. See, as we have reduces the current flowing through the device, see, reduces the current flowing through the devices, there should be reducing the current flowing through the devices, means negative current flowing through the devices such as Vgs. In that case, less amount of current flowing through the device, one event is coming. See, one event is coming when VGS value equal to more negative. In that case, your VGS causes your device should be turn off, right? So this is called as VGS of voltage, right? हे लक्षात आलंय का? परत एकदा सांगायची गरज आहे. प्लीज टेल मी. बचोटे लक्षात आलंय का तुमच्या? प्लीज रिप्लाय द्या. ऍक्च्युली रिवाइज पार्ट आहे, आधी झालेला आहे, तरी पण विचारतो. सांगा, लवकर रिप्लाय द्या. देवमारे लक्षात आलंय का तुमच्या हे? हॅलो, रिप्लाय द्या. प्लीज रिप्लाय द्या.
Yes, sir.
ओके. Now, this is the thing as I explained. Now, we have seen that drain and transfer characteristic of P channel. See, one of the important difference between N channel and P channel MOSFET, either your D MOSFET or the this is the part of D MOSFET. See, D MOSFET indicate the depletion type MOSFET. The thing changes is only here is that we have to be use the P channel, right? P channel indicate that we have to be use here as a middle channel as a P, right? Means holes are major in that case, right? So that whatever the voltage or current provided to it, that should be changes, right? In this case, no. In this case, no requirement of the negative voltage to these devices, right? When we are applying the C, when we have to be applying the negative voltage to the P channel, in that case, more current flowing. So through this device, why it is? Because due to the application of negative voltage, there should be a minus voltage is applied. That's why more and more electrons and holes recombine, right? So in case of P channel, MOSFET, we have applied the VGS started from the positive, right? Means when VGS applied is positive, in that case, less amount of current flowing as opposite to that of N channel, right? So see, initially, drain characteristic of P channel MOSFET is the plot of drain current versus drain to source voltage, right? So in this case, when we have to be increases the voltage from your when we have to be increases the voltage from your VGS equal to 0 to more positive. See, VGS equal to 0 to more positive. In that case, what happen? As positive voltage is that is 0 considered as a positive voltage. As positive voltage VGS equal to 0, in that case, more current flowing through the devices, that is called as IDSS current, right? As we have increases the more positive. Why more positive? Because in case of P channel, we have need of the applied minus. See, we have applied the minus voltage. It causes what happen? There should be more current flow, but in this case, as we have applied the positive voltage across it, so what happened? Due to the application of positive voltage across gate to source, there should be depletion layer forms. As we have increases the more positive voltage, there should be more and more depletion region size. So as increases the VGS value, more positive, less amount of current flowing through the device. As we have increases the more negative value, that is VGS equal to -1 or more than that of that, large amount of current flowing. This will be happen because when we apply the negative voltage, due to that, there should be PN junction form in with respect to your depletion type P-type depletion type MOSFET. In that case, due to that, more and more current flowing through the device. That's why VGS equal to minus. In that case, more current flowing through the devices. Only see, एक लक्षात घ्या, ड्रेन अँड ट्रान्सफर कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ पी चॅनल म्हणजे काय करतोय आपण, जे आपण एन चॅनल साठी करत होतो ना, त्याच्या एक्झॅक्टली अपोजिट करणार आहेत. म्हणजे पहा, एन चॅनल मॉस्फेट साठी आपण काय करत होतो, VGS इक्वल टू सुरुवातीला 0 अप्लाय करत होतो, त्यानंतर ते मोर निगेटिव्ह करत होतो. जसं मोर निगेटिव्ह करू तसं त्याच्यातनं लेस अमाऊंट ऑफ करंट फ्लो होत होता. सेम वे पी चॅनल मध्ये अपोजिट थिंग करावी लागणार आहे आपल्याला. म्हणजे पहा, याच्यामध्ये आता व्होल्टेज जे VGS व्होल्टेज जे अप्लाय करायचं ना, ते पॉझिटिव्ह जर अप्लाय केलं तर काय होणार आहे, त्याच्यातला जो करंट VGS मधून फ्लो होणार आहे ना, तो रिड्यूस होणार आहे जर मी पॉझिटिव्ह व्होल्टेज अप्लाय केलं तर. कारण का, ज्यावेळेस मी पॉझिटिव्ह व्होल्टेज अप्लाय करतो ना, त्यावेळेस इंटरनली PN जंक्शन फॉर्म होतं आणि त्याच्यातनं करंट फ्लो होतो ज्यावेळेस मी निगेटिव्ह व्होल्टेज अप्लाय करतो. आणि जसं पॉझिटिव्ह व्होल्टेज अप्लाय करतो ना, तशी डिप्लेशन लेअरची साईज वाढते. लक्षात घ्या. का? कारण आपण पी चॅनलला इथं पहा, पी चॅनल आपण व्होल्टेज अप्लाय करतोय त्या व्होल्टेजमुळे तो रिव्हर्स बायस मध्ये जातो, लक्षात घ्या. त्यामुळे त्यातनं लेस अमाऊंट ऑफ करंट फ्लो होतो, लक्षात घ्या. दिस विल बी द थिंग रिलेटेड टू द ड्रेन characteristic of the P channel. Now we have seen the transfer characteristic. Now in case of transfer characteristic, see this is the transfer characteristic. In transfer characteristic, see we have started the device VGS voltage start from your 0, right? VGS equal to 0, right? As we have to be increases the value. See, this is the value. See, this is the VGS value, right? VGS value means VGS value if the positive. See, VGS value is the positive. VGS value is the positive. In that case, more current flowing through the device. Sorry, VGS value here is a negative, right? Here is a negative, here is a positive. See, as we have to be increases the negative value of VGS. Consider as a here -4 volt. Consider as a -4 volt. In that case, during this VGS equal to -4 volt, there should be largest amount of current flow. Then -3, -2, -1, right? So during this means as we have to be applying the more negative voltage. In that case, the current flowing through the device is increasing. Sorry, here is -1, -2, -3, right? Because this as a negative voltage increasing, as the negative voltage is increasing, in that case whatever the current flowing through the device is increasing, so that -1, -2, -3 means as minus voltage is increases, more and more current flowing through the devices. As we have to be positive voltage. See, here is a positive voltage applied across your gate to source. It causes less amount of current flowing through the devices. As one event is coming where more positive voltage is applied, in that case zero current, drain current flowing through the devices, right? So what it indicates that during this characteristic, see, is exactly opposite to the n channel characteristic of D MOSFET. In case of n channel D MOSFET, we are applying the features have the 0 voltage initially, then we have to be increases that to the negative voltage, right? Accordingly, we have to be see the drain characteristic of it. But in case of P channel MOSFET, we have to be apply the initially positive voltage, initially initially 0 voltage, and that should be increasing towards the positive voltage. See, as we have to be increases the positive voltage, less amount of current flowing through the device. As we have to be increases the more negative voltage, more and more current flowing through the devices. Same thing with respect to the transfer characteristic. See, as we have to be increases the more negative voltage. See, more negative voltage, large amount of current flowing through the devices. As we have to be increases the more positive value, in that case less amount of current flowing through the devices. This will be the thing with respect to the transfer characteristic of P channel D MOSFET. लक्षात आलंय का काय प्रॉब्लेम? एखादा पॉइंट कळला नसेल तर सांगायला रिपीट करतो, प्लीज रिप्लाय द्या. कोरके लक्षात आलंय का तुमच्या? निकम रिप्लाय द्या. कोरके, निकम.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, this will be the thing with respect to the P channel MOSFET, D MOSFET. Now we know that E type of MOSFET, E type is nothing but a enhancement type of MOSFET. See, I just tell you the something point related to the D and E MOSFET. See, D MOSFET indicate that depletion type of MOSFET. It is same as like a JFET. We have applying the depleting voltage across your gate to source, which causes, as we have to be increase or decreases the size of the depletion area. Accordingly, device increases the depletion area, and the current flowing through the channel that should be increase or decrease, right, according to increase or decrease of the depletion area, right? So in case of your enhancement type of MOSFET, see, enhancement type of MOSFET is the MOSFET which absence of the channel, right? There should not be any transform. We have to be create the channel, right? These are the things which should be different than that of your depletion type of MOSFET. So see, drain and transfer characteristic of n channel E MOSFET. See the diagram. What will be the difference between it? Tell me. In case of your n channel D MOSFET and n channel E MOSFET, what will be the difference? See, the basic difference between enhancement type of MOSFET is that we have applying it is the plot of VDS versus ID. Basically, yeah, it is the plot of VDS versus ID. During that plot, what we have to do? We have to be applying the voltage across VGS is positive now, right? We have applying the voltages applied across your MOSFET it is a positive, right? When positive voltage applied across your gate to source increases, see as increases, there should be more and more current from. Why it is happened? See, I will see the diagram. See the diagram. See, initially, I'm tell you this thing related to the MOSFET. Initially, what we have to do, we have applying the two supply for this configuration enhancement type of MOSFET. One supply is nothing but a VDS plus minus applied across your VDS drain to source terminal. Another power supply applied across as a positive between gate and source, right? These are the two things with respect to your enhancement type of MOSFET. Initially what we have to do, initially there should be VGS equal to 0, right? VGS equal to 0. So that's why here is not any channel. See, here is not any channel form with respect to device, because there should be depletion area through the device is more, right? No channel is formed. So as we have to be increases the positive voltage, see positive voltage to this, the the electron from p substrate attracted towards the this area, right? This electron from p substrate is attracted towards the this area. So what happened? There should be accumulation. Accumulation means indication or the increasing. There should be increasing the electron in this area, right? So there should be increasing electron in this area. As we have to be increases the more VGS positives, right? More VGS positive. There should be largest number of electrons and holes, right? That should be recombined, right? Recombined. Due to that recombination, there should be between 2n, there should be one of the layer that should be called a channel is formed between 2n, right? Due to the formation of this channel, there should be current start flowing. So see, we have to be done the channel enhancement process, means enhancement. This is not already formed. We have to be enhance this channel by applying the positive voltage to the devices, right? So due to the application of positive voltage, electrons means p substrate have some of the electron attracted towards the gate terminal, and again we have applying the more positive voltage. It causes whatever the electron from p substrate accumulated towards this area, so it should be increasing, right? And current start flowing from your source to the drain, right? This will be happen in this case, right? I'm telling you this for this diagram. See, in case of your enhancement type MOSFET, now see the enhancement type of MOSFET. Initially, see, it is the plot of drain to source voltage versus drain current, right? Initially, what we have to do, as we have to be increases the VDS, right? As we have to be increases the VDS, whatever the value of VGS, that should be taking as a constant right here. See, consider as a threshold value, means this is the less amount of current flowing through the devices, right? Less amount of current flowing. Normally consider as a VGS equal to +6. Consider as a VTH indicate that 6 volt, right? When VGS equal to consider as a 6 volt, in that case, what happened? As we have to be increases the voltage through the devices, right? As we have to be increases the voltage through the device, voltage through the device is only increasing, but the current through the device is not increasing, right? So means as we have to be 6 5 4 3, right? 3 or 2 consider as 6 5 4 3 or 2 consider as means as VGS equal to less positive. See, as VGS equal to less positive, there should be less amount of current flowing. See, at VGS equal to less positive, it indicates the less amount of current flowing through the devices. As VGS equal to more positive, there should be more and more enhance of the channel, so that's why more and more current flowing through the devices. As we have to be increases the VGS value, there should be largest accumulation of electron through the gate terminal and the large amount of current flowing through the devices. This will be happen in case of your enhancement type of n channel MOSFET, right? So another thing for this configuration, it is the transfer characteristic of n channel. Now see, transfer characteristic what indicate that as we have to be increases the features. See, as we have to be increases the value of the features, there should be largest amount of current flowing through the devices. So VGS shall increases indicate that more positive value. So why that happens? See, initially there should be smallest VGS considered as these VGS, right? Smallest positive VGS. During that portion, what happened? There should be electron and holes recombination. In case of your gate terminal, that should be small, so that here consider as a small electron is came over towards the gate terminal, right? As we have to be increases the gate to source voltage more positive. See, more positive. In that case, what happened? More and more electron are accumulated towards the gate terminal. So that's why there should be formation of channel between your source to the drain terminal, right? So there should be formation of the channel. So what happened? Due to the formation of more and more channel, as we have to be increases the gate to source voltage more positive, there should be more and more current flowing through the devices. This will be the drain characteristic of the n channel. See, during this diagram, as we have know, actually drain characteristic and the transfer characteristic that have only some of the changes. Means in case of your drain characteristic, it is the plot of your drain current versus your VDS. But in case of transfer characteristic, it shows that the plot of VGS versus ID. Means this is plot shows that how the VGS value changes with respect to drain current, or it shows that whatever the effect of VGS with respect to your drain current. See, during this figure, as we have to be increases the VGS value, right? We increases VGS value more positive. In that case, more and more drain current flowing through the devices. This will be related to the E MOSFET. See, I'm again tell you with respect to D MOSFET and E MOSFET, one of the major differences is that in case of depletion type of MOSFET, it will be as like as your JFET, right? In case of your JFET, as we have to be see, we have considered as a n channel JFET. So as we have to be increases the minus VGS across the devices, it causes depletion area through the device is increases, so that what happen, there should be less amount of current flowing through the devices. But in case of your enhancement type of MOSFET, we have applying the positive voltage. See, we have applying the positive voltage due to the application of positive voltage with respect to your gate to source. See, one of the important thing, VGS positive indicate that there should be largest electron coming towards the gate surface, and there should be formation of channel. See, here is a induced channel, or the artificial channel, or we have generated channel. This is due to the by applying the positive voltage to the devices, right? That should be major difference between E MOSFET and D MOSFET, right? So in case of D MOSFET, there should be already channel formed up, but in case of enhancement, we have to be enhance that particular thing. This will be with respect to this type of MOSFET. Okay, did you understand the concept with respect to enhancement type of MOSFET? Please reply. प्लीज रिप्लाय. लक्षात आलं नसेल तर सांगा, रिपीट करतो, प्लीज सांगा. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अक्षय काळे, लक्षात आलंय का? अक्षय काळे. Rohit Nikam. Yes or
Yes, sir.
no? Okay. See, we have already seen the N channel E MOSFET, right? Now see P channel, whatever the thing applied across your device, that should be opposite. Only thing it changes, whatever the voltage or current whatever the voltage applied across your devices, that should be opposite in case of a P channel E MOSFET, right? Here also, we have to be enhance the channel with respect to the devices, right? See, E MOSFET means P channel E MOSFET for the purpose of calculating the drain characteristic of P channel E MOSFET, we have to be done the plot of the drain current versus VDS, right? In this case, whatever the value of VGS in this case, that should be negative, right? As we have to be increases the more and more negative voltage through the devices, there should be largest amount of current flowing through the devices. See, initially what we have to do, initially consider as a, it is opposite. See, it is opposite to that of N channel E MOSFET, right? So initially what we have to do, we have to be applying the VGS equal to -3 volt and the increasing the drain to source voltages through the devices at value of the VGS equal to -3, consider as a less amount of drain current flowing through the devices. As we have to be increasing the value of the particular negative voltage, -3 to the -4. So what happened, due to the -4 volt voltage applied across your devices, there should be formation of the channel through the devices. Same way, here also there should be formation of the PN junction. So due to that PN junction, there should be channel formed. As we have to be increases the more negative voltage, channel increases, size of the channel increases more, so large current flow from your source to the drain terminal. So that's why there should be more and more current flow, as we have to increases the -6 to the -8 volt as a VGS. So in that case, what happen, as we have to be increases the more and more negative voltage, there should be more and more electron and holes here coming towards the middle area in between 2p layer, right? Due to that, what happen, there should be a large amount of current flow because of formation of the channel in between 2p. See, I'm telling you, in between 2p, not a N, because this is a P channel, right? See the diagram, I'm telling you. See, this is the N channel, right? N channel indicate that here is a 2N. In case of P channel, here is a P, 2P, right? 2P, that will be the changes. And here is a N substrate, right? See, I'm again explain you drain transfer characteristic of the P channel MOSFET. Now see, during this, see drain and transfer characteristic of P channel MOSFET. Now see, we know that in case of P channel, whatever the voltage applied across your gate to source, that should be exactly opposite than that of N channel. Why that exactly opposite? Because we have applying the VGS. The reason behind is applying the VGS. Either you are increasing the size of the depletion area, or the increasing or decreasing the size of the depletion area. See, as we have to be increases the more negative voltages, it causes less amount of depletion area. Depletion indicate that there should be enhancement of the channel, right? Enhancement of the channel, right? So as less negative voltage, in that case what happen, less negative voltage, in that case what happen, there should be channel formed between your two p layer. See, two p layer, that should be small, so less amount of current flowing through the devices. As we have increases the VGS equal to more negative, -4, -5 and -6, there should be largest amount of current flowing through the devices. Why that happens? See, when we have applying the VGS equal to negative and the VDS equal to positive across your devices, what happens, there should be internally, there should be P substrate have an two there should be N substrate and the P layer 2 of, there should be formation of the See, I'm telling you which are the things through the diagram. Opposite thing. See, when we are applying the voltage through the devices, more negative. In that case, P substrate not here. In case of there, here is a N substrate, here is a 2P, right? Here is a 2P, and here is a N. As we have increases the more, see, as we have increases the more positive voltage, here is a P. P have the holes and the N have electrons, right? So they have to be recombine each other, right? So they have to be recombined so that there should be formation of this channel, right? This will be happen in case of your P type or the P channel E MOSFET, right? And the voltage, whatever the voltage applied across it is a negative, because it is as like as your N channel. There should not be, means P channel जर आपण सेम पॉझिटिव्ह व्होल्टेज जर अप्लाय केलं, लक्षात घ्या, पॉझिटिव्ह व्होल्टेज जर अप्लाय केलं तर काय होणार आहे, तर त्या केसमध्ये तुमच्या डिव्हाइस मधून कुठलाही करंट फ्लो होणार नाही. कारण काय होतंय, जस पॉझिटिव्ह व्होल्टेज अप्लाय केलं तर पीएन जंक्शन इंटरनल फॉर्म होतं ना, ते डिप्लेटेड होतं, म्हणजे तो एकमेकांपासून लांब जातात इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आणि होल, त्यामुळे लेस अमाऊंट ऑफ किंवा नो करंट फ्लोइंग होतो. पण ज्यावेळेस मी व्हीजीएस इक्वल टू निगेटिव्ह करतो त्यावेळेस इट शुड बी ऍक्ट ऍज अ पीएन जंक्शन, राईट? किंवा त्याच्यातनं मोर करंट फ्लो होतो, राईट? नाउ सी, it is transfer characteristic is the plot of drain current versus gate to source voltage, right? So as we have increases the more, see, as we have increases the more negative voltage through from gate to source, see, more negative voltage from your gate to source, there should be large amount of current flowing through the devices. See, initially consider as a, we are applying the zero VGS, right? No current flowing through the devices. As we have to be increases this, increasing indicate that more negative voltage. Here is the, see, here plus plus, here plus minus, so it is a negative. So as we have increases the negative voltage through the devices, more and more current flow through the devices. ओके, या चॅप्टर मधल्या कोणत्याही पॉईंट बद्दल काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे का? नेक्स्ट ला आपण पॉवर सप्लायचा चॅप्टर सुरू करणार आहोत. प्लीज टेल मी. किंवा याच्यातला कुठला पॉईंट आहे की ज्याच्यावर आपण रिवाइज करूया, सांगू शकताय तुम्ही, की जो समजला नाही? प्लीज रिप्लाय द्या. आपल्याकडे 15-20 मिनिटं वेळ आहे. सांगा काय यातलं समजलं नाही ते. आपण, मी उघडीव करत थोडं मागं जातो, तुम्ही सांगा मला. हे लक्षात आलंय का वर्किंग ऑफ एन चॅनल डिमॉस्फेट? प्लीज रिप्लाय द्या. वर्किंग ऑफ एन चॅनल डिमॉस्फेट लक्षात आलंय का? काय प्रॉब्लेम याच्याबद्दल? फेट बायसिंग कॉन्फिगरेशन लक्षात आलेत का? कोकरे लक्षात आलेत का तुमच्या? फेट बायसिंग प्लीज रिप्लाय द्या. फेट बायसिंग लक्षात आलंय का? कोकरे सांगा. प्रद्यमाने तुमच्या लक्षात आलंय का फेट बायसिंग? 3 मेथड आहेत बायसिंगच्या, लक्षात आलेत का?
येस सर.
ओके. जेपेट ऍज अ स्विच लक्षात आलंय का सगळ्यांच्या? कारण जर पुढचा पॉईंट सुरू केला तर होणार नाहीये, यासाठी आपण रिव्हाइज थोडं, जर कुठला पॉईंट नसेल यातला कळला तर जाऊया. हा, जेपेट ऍज अ स्विच समजलंय का? रोहन समजलंय का? रोहन सुरू असे. प्रज्ञामाने समजले का तुम्हाला जेपेट ऍज अ स्विच?
Yes, sir.
See, I may explain the some of the things related to the JFET operation. Phi is equal to less than 0 and phi is equal to 0, right? Because there should be time. That's why I'm explaining. See, above figure shows that the JFET characteristic, right? JFET characteristic indicate that we have applying the two voltages with respect to your devices. We see here we have applying the one voltage, but related to the device we are applying the two voltage, because VDS is the voltage applied through the device, that is a positive, and the voltages applied through the gate, that is a negative voltage, right? So in this case what we have to do in case of your JFET, as we have see, as we have initially considered as a phi equal to 0, right? Phi equal to 0 indicate that there should be less, depletion region is coming with respect to this layer 2p. See, this should be related to the this 2p, right? Less depletion layer, so that there should be, when we are applying the negative voltage to the source, whatever the electron flowing from source to the drain. See, in this case majority charge carrier, we are applying the minus voltages to the n. It indicates that majority charge carrier, that is nothing but electron traveling from your source to the drain, so drain current flowing through the devices, right? This will be happen when we are applying the VGS equal to 0, right? This will be the thing with respect to your JFET, right? So as we have to be increases the more negative voltage. So more negative voltage indicate that due to the application of more negative voltage between gate to source, there should be, see, we are applying the negative voltage to the P. That's why what happened, whatever the holes coming from here, they are going out. This they are going internally or going out of this junction, so that what happened, the size of the depletion layer both means this P and this P increases more in this case, right? So as we have to be increases again more negative voltage through the devices, the size of the depletion layer is increasing, right? For both P, right? Both P increases. when we have to be increases the features which should be more in that case, due to that depletion layer of this 2p is coming near to each other, so that there should not be any, see, there should not be any current from your source to the drain. This will be happen. When this happen, see, as we have applying the more negative voltage, due to that more negative voltage, there should be largest formation of the depletion layer, and one event is coming where 2p connected depletion layer are connected to each other. So when they have to be connected to each other, there should not be space for traveling from your current from your source to the drain, right? So that's why no current flowing through the devices. This will be with respect to as VGS equal to negative, right? See, I'm telling you, think with respect to negative. I'm telling you with respect to negative, initially the condition for this phi j is equal to 0, right? This is the condition for phi j is equal to 0. As we have increases the more negative, this is the condition for that. This is the condition for that. Means as more negative voltage increases, there should be connecting of the two depletion layer, right? Connecting of two depletion layers so that no current flowing through the devices. This will be happen with respect to your JFET. See, in case of P channel JFET, whatever the thing coming with respect to N channel JFET, we have applying here. See, as we have applying the voltage through the features, that should be positive. Why not negative? Because when we apply the positive voltage through the gate to source, see, through the gate to source, what happen? As positive voltage increases, see, as positive voltage increases, there should be less amount of current flow, right? It is opposite to that of your P channel JFET. So our level voltage means VDS voltage, that should be opposite than that of this configuration. Means in case of N channel, we have applying the C, we have applying the plus minus voltage in case of N channel, but in case of P channel, minus plus voltage is applied, and here we have applying the either zero voltages or the positive voltage through the devices, and internally here is a N layer to N, middle is P layer. That is the difference. Attendance, give me the attendance. Roll number 1,
Present, sir.
2,
Present, sir.
3, 4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
Yes, sir.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Yes, sir.
12, 13, 14, 15,
Yes, sir.
16, 17, okay, 70 present, 18, 19, 20,
Yes, sir.
21, 22, 23,
Yes, sir.
24,
Yes, sir.
25,
Present, sir.
26,
Present, sir.
27, 28, 29,
Present, sir.
30,
Present, sir.
31,
Yes, sir.
32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37,
Yes, sir.
38, 39, 40, 41,
Yes, sir.
42, 43,
Yes, sir.
44.
Present, sir.
Okay, option number sum 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16.
Present, sir.
Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19, 21, 22, 27, 28, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40, 42. Okay,
27 present, sir. 27.
okay.
5 present.
36 present, sir.
6 present ka?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
36, sir.
36. Okay, okay, stop करूया आपण.